Hey guys, welcome to another episode of All Bass Creations Effects Tutorials, Demos, and Review. Today we have up the brand new Zoom MS-60B Plus. Now, those of you that have been following me for a while know I love Zoom pedals. I have the original MS-60B, which is right over here, it's just down on the floor. I also have the original MS-50G, and I also have the Zoom B3 and the Zoom B6. So, of course, I had to review this, and was excited like everybody else that's a Zoom fan, call it what you want, but hey, Zoom work, you know what I'm saying? And it sound good, as you can hear. So, just brand new pedal, kind of hard to get a hold of at the moment, so if you find one somewhere available, you might want to grab it if you're looking into it, because it's definitely worth buying it. Let me go ahead and tell you right now, it's definitely worth buying, but keep watching so you can see what it's capable of. I want you guys to see how this thing is pretty incredible. So what you're looking at here is this the actual pedal. If you run a USB out, you can run that to your iPad, or if you have an iPhone or something like that. And I'm sure they'll have the desktop, compatibility soon with it. I'm pretty sure of that. But even if they don't, you get plenty of capabilities just with the pedal itself. So because of the type of screen it is, it's kind of difficult to see. So I decided to just I'm gonna show you things on the pedal and off the pedal, with the screen. So just like things with my settings, I'm gonna show you here on the iPad. That way it'd be a little easier for you to see. And of course, for some reason, my iPad won't let me um, screen share while it's doing this with the MS-60B. At Plus. I'm so used to MS-60B Plus. But this thing, okay, so if you was wondering, that it does have these multi-layered IRs, is what they call it. Um, and this one is what you were listening to. You can see it on the screen there. I kind of made a little makeshift pedal board where I have, first up, have a line selector. So if I want to have all of this on, but I still want to be able to go straight to a dry signal, I can literally just hit the line selector and it just goes straight. Anything that's before it will play, and anything, if nothing's before it, goes just whatever you ran into the pedal will go straight, bypass all the effects in the pedal. And basically, what it effectively allows you to do is to turn all 5 of these effects on and off at once. So, bypass. And then line selector, the entire board. So that's a nice little feature. So basically, if I wanted to, what I got up here, let me just explain what I got here for a second. I got a bass analog octaver on here. That would be this one. And that is essentially like that OC2 sound. And so, you know, these are my actual settings for that. Is really just the octave down rather, with nothing else on. But of course, you can experiment and add a little bit of dry signal, all that extra stuff. But if you want that classic OC2 sound, you just need that octave down, and that actually is very close. Nobody's gonna know the difference. Like, trust me, nobody's gonna know. But an actual OC5, OC3, OC2 is gonna, it's gonna sound um, it's gonna sound a little better. But you talking about on the gig, this on just grabbing just one little pedal, being able to roll out. This joint's fire. So to have an effect to have in there. So, and it's pretty good. So one thing I will say that I love that they upgraded on this one is the ability to have one side go be processed. Excuse me, sorry guys, I got a little sun in my eye there. Come on. Yeah. All right, we good. So if you look here on the screen, you see this little R there, little line. It has the ability to basically have the amp simulation go out of the left input, and then have the right input be something every just effects like I have here. So everything, all of this would be running into the right and the left signal up until this Zetron filter, and then that would run out into the right signal. Now it doesn't allow you to. Let me see.